Time it should be question side. A working week consists of how many hours? 40 hours of production. Now, the problem time the hour. This is hour, and what is this? This is in minute. So see minute say hour don't what it will be? Half hour, right? Half an hour. So unit put up the matan cam sang unit put up the a given half hour, b given how much? 1 hour sang. X number put up it will be x by 2, y number put up it will be y times of y times of 1. So it will be only y. Okay, so our matang dong now. And the second equation it will be how much? Let's see. Time. What is the time? Half times of x plus 1 time of y. So half time of x plus 1 time of y, and the item is it should be equal to minimum maximum consists of it should be equal to how many hours? 40. Okay, now solving again this equation, so 2 so it will be x plus 2y equals to 80. So this is my second equation. Okay, this is my second equation. Now see questions it's very interesting. Okay, very interesting. Let me show you. Atai question year the hangiba question slightly modified talk points down. The problem is there is a permanent there is a permanent order of 14 units of product A. Permanent order of 14 units of product A. A ki kya hua? Unit permanent hai ngao right? Permanent hai badi kaino? Permanent hai badi soidrabada, right? Means at least permanent hai bata there should be a permanent means at least 14 units of product A di it should be order. Aduga B gina how much unit here? See here 16 unit. Okay, aduduna hojik we can write here A ki how much? So x greater than 0 or y greater than 0 even here here we will have x permanent order of how much? X is greater than or equals to how much? 14. So this is my third equation, right? And y gina kya hai permanent order of 16. So that will be my fourth equation, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equation. After that you have to draw the graph and solve the equation. Then it's very much easy, right? Okay. Now let's try to draw the graph here. So this is my next. So you can write here drawing. You can do like this. So equation is doing the graph of the above equations, right? So let's try to draw the graphs here. So let's say this is okay. Okay, first equation has 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to how much? 100. Okay, so as usual first equation se kama ini, so 2x plus 3y equals to 100. Ade kedaune ba si akoi exam da yawada point just akoina knowledge kena divided by akoina amanga tawkiba dumaina this constant term se kya tahanga it should be 1. So 1 tan gaya ta di 100 and divide to, so it becomes how much? X by 50 plus y divided by 100 by 3. I will out of the C graphs here. X ko tayo kakani, X at 50. Okay, X at 50. So let's say this is our 50. Let's say this is our 50. Y क्या था करें 100 by 3, that means 33 point something. Okay, exact value be the so just a quick assumption, imagination. Okay, so let's say this is my, okay, this will be 0 comma 100 by 3, and then join the two lines, join the 2 points, sorry, 2 point in the, let's try to join tower. Okay, similar. Now pyramid regions it should be greater than I thought regions ko many matak or maka matak to origin. Okay, matak to origin regions. Now after that, second equation that x plus 2y equal to 40. It's very much simple. Second equation is x plus 2y equals 80. Now sizu mukya ta lobo 1 tan gaya ta kya divide to ni 80 da. So x by 80, y by 40. X kya da 80 da, y ne kya da 40 da. So x 50 is here, right? So 80 will be, let's say, somewhere here. Let's say this is my 80, right? How much? 50 comma 0. Okay, and y ne kya da kaya, where is y cancel? Y is at 40, right? 40 is the 100 by 3, that is 33. So 40 will be somewhere here above the. Okay, so let's say this is my 40. What is this? This is my, what is this? This is my 0 comma 40. Now let's try to join the 2 points. What? These 2 points. Okay. Yeah. All right. Doesn't matter. Okay, and moreover, no kanga Sig equation se kya aane this is 2x plus 3y equals to 100, and then how about this? This is nothing but, and what is this? This is x plus 2y equals 80, right? Next thing, akona kya wale ani madro tawre and sigi ju mathak karam region hoini mathak ta ko. No, this region layer is equal to ni, so it will be this like this only, right? Now the matung da kari, it should be x greater than or equal to third x greater than or equal to 14. X greater than or equal to 14. X14 will be, let's say, somewhere here. Okay, let's say the x14 is here. X14 is here. Okay, X14, that means how we will draw the graph. See the just join the line. Okay, all right, and what is this? This is my x equal to 14 graph. And lastly, y should be greater than or equal to 16. Y greater than or equal to 16. Y greater than or equal to 16. It should be somewhere here. 16 means 100 by 3 will be less or equal. Okay, so let's say this is somewhere here. So it's here. Okay, let's say this is 0 comma 16 over there. Let's say this is how much? 0 comma 16. Okay, so let's join this. Oh, sorry.